All right, tech enthusiasts, let's talk about the phone that turned heads at MWC 2025, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It's been a few weeks since the official launch, and the buzz is still going strong. The big question on everyone's mind, including yours, I'm sure, is does this phone live up to the hype? And more importantly, should you be reaching for your wallet right now? The Ultra moniker from Xiaomi isn't new. It signifies the pinnacle of their smartphone engineering, a statement of intent to push the boundaries of what's possible in your pocket. We saw the series step onto the global stage with the Mi 11 Ultra, finally making those top-tier features accessible beyond China. Then came the pivotal partnership with Leica, starting with the 12S Ultra, a collaboration that truly elevated Xiaomi's camera game and has been a consistent theme ever since, culminating in the impressive optics we see in the 15 Ultra. Now, what makes this year's Ultra so ultra? Well, a few things immediately jump out. First, the sheer power under the hood, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising performance that can handle anything you throw at it. Then there's the camera system, headlined by that 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, a number that certainly grabs your attention and hints at some serious zoom capabilities. Add to that a battery that should keep you going and ultra fast charging to get you back in the game quickly, all wrapped in a design that cleverly nods to the classic aesthetics of Leica rangefinder cameras. Personally, picking this phone up for the first time, the weight and the feel of the camera module immediately gave me a sense of premium quality and a clear indication of where Xiaomi has focused its efforts. After spending a good few weeks putting the Xiaomi 15 Ultra through its paces, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The 5,410 mAh battery for the global version has been a reliable companion. Tests have indicated that the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency contributes to notable battery life improvements in various scenarios. While heavy camera usage or intense gaming might still necessitate a midday top-up for everyday tasks, the phone comfortably lasts a full day. The daily usage experience is exceptionally smooth. HyperOS 2, built on Android 15, feels responsive and fluid. Apps launch quickly, multitasking is a breeze, and there's a general sense of polish to the software. The Snapdragon 8 Elite handles everything with remarkable ease, making even demanding applications feel effortless. My initial satisfaction with the camera system has only grown. The quad lens setup offers incredible versatility, and the images and videos captured are consistently impressive. The design of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is undoubtedly striking, especially the silver chrome variant, which truly evokes the look of an old-school Leica camera. The materials feel premium, with a high-strength aluminum frame and an aerospace-grade glass fiber back, contributing to a robust feel further enhanced by the IP68 dust and water resistance. The optional photography kit takes this camera-centric experience even further, providing a comfortable grip and physical controls that genuinely enhance the shooting process. The 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display is a visual treat, with a sharp 1440 by 3200 resolution, a peak brightness of 3200 nits, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Content looks stunning. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and animations silky smooth, and the Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0 offers peace of mind regarding durability. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite lives up to its flagship billing. Gaming is smooth, video editing is handled without a hiccup, and the overall performance is top-notch. HyperOS 2 offers a familiar experience for Xiaomi users, packed with features and some interesting AI integrations, though there might be a bit of pre-installed software to contend with. Xiaomi is promising 4 major Android upgrades and 6 years of security updates, which is a solid commitment, although some competitors are now offering even longer support periods. The camera system is where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra truly shines. The 50-megapixel wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses are all capable, but the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto is the star of the show. The zoom capabilities are genuinely impressive, allowing for detailed shots at significant distances. The Leica color science delivers pleasing and natural-looking images. Video recording is also robust, with options up to 8K and 4K at 120 FPS, along with features like Dolby Vision and 10-bit L-Log recording across all focal lengths. However, no phone is perfect. After weeks of use, I've noticed a few potential downsides. Under very heavy sustained load, the phone can get noticeably warm. It's also worth noting that the global version has a slightly smaller battery than the Chinese variant. The phone can also be a bit picky about chargers to reach those advertised peak charging speeds. While the video quality is excellent, some might find the sharpness slightly behind the absolute best in the market, and while the 32-megapixel front camera is good, it's perhaps not the standout feature of this phone. Finally, the IP68 rating, while good, isn't quite as robust as the IPX9 rating some competitors offer. So the big question, should you buy the Xiaomi 15 Ultra in 2025? Overall, this is a fantastic smartphone that excels in several key areas, particularly camera performance and battery life. If mobile photography, especially zoom capabilities, is a top priority for you and you appreciate a unique camera-inspired design, then the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is definitely worth considering. The powerful performance and excellent display further sweeten the deal. However, if you're a stickler for the absolute best video sharpness or selfie quality, or if you frequently push your phone to its absolute limits for extended periods, you might want to weigh those potential downsides. For Xiaomi, looking ahead, continuing to refine HyperOS and perhaps offering a consistent battery capacity across all regions would be beneficial. Further improvements in video processing and selfie camera performance could also elevate their flagship offering even higher in the competitive landscape. Ultimately, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a strong contender in the 2025 flagship arena. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below.